Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from TechWindows.com. I'm St. Pete, and today I have a hands-on for you guys of the brand new Galaxy Note 10. So you can see the Note 10 is very similar to the Note 9. Just the display is a little bit more bezel-ish. You only have that top notch for the camera. Has an in-display fingerprint sensor now. In addition to that, it has a new camera aperture on the back.
Tap to try the different
They also came out with two different sizes. This is a Note 10. There's also a Note 10 Plus, which is a larger display. So this actually has the same size display, but in a smaller body because it has that higher screen to bezel ratio. They also upgraded the processor inside the Note. It's a new processor. This is a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display that you're gonna get in the Note. And then the Note 10, and then the Note 10 Plus has a 6.8 display. So, and then I believe that they also added like an accelerometer and some more sensors to the S Pen. So that's the Note 10 right here.
screen, less